First, listen to the conversation. Dialogue 1. Hailing a taxi.
Excuse me, are you available?
Yes, where do you need to go?
I need to go to the airport.
No problem, hop in.
Thank you.
Do you have a flight soon?
Yes, it's in 2 hours.
We'll get you there on time.
Dialogue 2. Giving directions to the driver.
Hi, can you take me to 123 Maple Street?
Sure thing. Any specific route you prefer?
Yes, take the main road to avoid traffic.
Got it. Main road it is.
Thanks. How long do you think it will take?
About 20 minutes, depending on the traffic.
Perfect, that works for me.
Dialogue 3. Paying for the ride.
How much do I owe you?
That will be $15.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Excuse me, are you available? Excuse me, are you available?
Yes, where do you need to go? Yes, where do you need to go? No problem, hop in. No problem, hop in.
Hi, can you take me to 123 Maple Street? Hi, can you take me to 123 Maple Street?
Any specific route you prefer? Any specific route you prefer?
How long do you think it will take? How long do you think it will take?
How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card?